Hey adventurers, ready for epic moments? Check out the GoPro HERO13 Black. With stunning 5.3K video and 27 MMLP photos, it captures every adventure in style. Whether you're hitting the waves or scaling mountains, this camera delivers cinema-quality shots. We're testing its durability and amazing stabilization to see if it can keep up with you. Stick around to find out. If you love tech and thrills, hit subscribe and let's dive into this adventure together. Alright, let's start with what really matters, the image quality. The HERO13 Black delivers stunning 5.3K 60 video with incredible detail, rich colors, and smooth motion. Whether you're capturing fast action or cinematic slow motion, this camera doesn't disappoint. For still shots, we've got 27 MMLP photos, meaning sharper images with more vibrant colors. And with HDR support, even your low-light shots look impressive. If you're a content creator, the HB series lenses take things even further. You can shoot with immersive POV angles, get closer than ever, or even add cinematic motion blur with ND filters. This is a huge step forward for GoPro. Next up, let's talk stabilization. GoPro's HyperSmooth 6.0 takes things to a whole new level. Whether you're running, biking, or skydiving, this tech keeps your footage butter smooth with no gimbal needed. Even in the roughest conditions, the HERO13 Black eliminates camera shake and gives you super steady footage. We tested it in some intense action scenarios, and let me tell you, it's next level. Now, durability is where GoPro shines. The HERO13 Black is as tough as ever, waterproof up to 33 feet right out of the box, plus it can withstand drops, dust, and extreme temperatures. We put it through some hardcore tests, underwater, in the mud, on rocky trails, and it handled everything like a champ. This is a camera made for adventure, no extra case needed. One of the biggest upgrades? Battery life. The new Enduro battery extends recording time even in extreme cold or heat, so you don't have to worry about your GoPro dying mid-adventure. And check this out, GoPro redesigned the mounting system for even more flexibility. Whether you're attaching it to a helmet, chest rig, or even a drone, it's easier and more secure than ever. Before we move to the final verdict, don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying this breakdown, and if you're new here, subscribe for more epic reviews like this. So, is the GoPro HERO13 Black worth it? Absolutely. If you're serious about capturing high-quality action footage, this is the best GoPro yet. Insane 5.3K video, next-gen stabilization, crazy durability, and longer battery life, it's got everything you need. If you're upgrading from an older GoPro, this is a massive improvement. But if you're rocking a HERO12, it really depends on how much you need those HB series lens features and battery life boost. What do you think? Would you upgrade? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And before you go, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.